So good morning, viewers. Today we are going to learn about the Form 2 mathematics, and we are going to learn about the topic indices. This is one of the most common topic in the KCSE exams. So therefore, the question that I've provided here, I want us to see whether, when you are solving this kind of question, whether you can use the rules of indices. So step number one, it is to identify, can you apply the rules of indices? So the rules of indices here, this is the solution or the working. The rules of indices. I want us to see if we can apply the first two rules of indices. One, the rule on multiplication of indices. Now, on the rule of multiplication of indices, it is where you are given two numbers, you are multiplying two numbers with the same base. 2 to the power y times 2 to the power m. So the rule number one for indices is this one. When you are multiplying numbers with the same base, you are supposed to put them under the same base and then add their powers. That is rule number one. If you are multiplying, check here whether you are multiplying any. There is nowhere you are applying the rule of indices for the first row. Check the second row. 2y, 2 raised to power y divided by 2 raised to power m. This is, if you are dividing numbers with the same base, put them under the same base and then subtract their powers. Check these two rows of indices. Are you applying, do you have a division or a multiplication? For this main sign and this one, we do not have either multiplication or division. So in this case, we cannot apply these two rows at the beginning. So therefore, what do you do in this kind of question? So what you do in this kind of question, step number one, because here you are adding plus 1, you can take this one on the other side. You get 2 bracket, 3 raised to power 2y, 2x, plus 4 bracket, 9 raised to power x, close the bracket, is equals to 19 minus 1. So 19 minus 1 is 18. So we write 2, 3 raised to power 2x, bracket, plus 4 bracket, 9 raised to power x is equals to 18. Equals to 18. Because we have identified you cannot use the rules of indices, because this is not a multiplication or a division, then you are supposed to express, this is 3 raised to power 2. Can you check 9? You express 9 in the simplest form. So 9 in the simplest form, prime factors form, 9 can only be expressed in terms of 3. So 3 raised to power 2. 9 is 3 raised to power 2. So you take 2, bracket, 3 raised to power 2x, plus 4, into bracket 9 is 3 squared. So 3 raised to power 2. X is equals to 18. Equals to 18. Again, because you cannot apply the rule of indices, this is a plus sign. You check this 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2x. 3 raised to power 2x, 3 raised to power 2x. It is common. Therefore, you can say, let 3 raised to power 2x be a letter like k. Give it letter k. Give it letter k. So therefore, this is k and this k. So here we have 2k plus 4k is equals to 18. 2k plus 4k equals to 18. So therefore, this is 6k is equals to 18. So find k. Find k. So our value of k in this case would be 18 all over 6. So where you divide both sides by 6, divide by 6. So therefore, your k is equals to 3. But remember, the examiner is asking to find the value of x. We are solving for the value of x, not the value of k. So we are yet to finish the question. We said let 3 raised to power 2x be k. So therefore, take this 3 raised to power 2x is equal to k, and k is equal to 3. The first one, 3 raised to power 2x, 3 raised to power 2x is already in power form. Then the second one, can you write it in indices? 1, there's a 3. If you write 3 raised to power 0, if you raise it to power 0, this one will not work, because any number raised to power 0 is always equals to 1. So you cannot put 0 here. You cannot put 0 there. Then if you put 1 here, 3 raised to power 1 is equals to 3. So therefore, this one should be raised to power 3, not to power 0. Sorry, to power 1, but not power 0. So that 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 1 is 3. then the base is the same. If the base is the same, equate the powers. Equate the powers, you say 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2 and by 2. So x is equals to a half. X is equal to a half. And this is how to solve an indices question. And this is a question that we have said it is very common in the KCSE. Thank you very much.